We're learning about how acceleration can affect how safe a car can be. We're building seatbelts right now to help people stay safe when they drive. So depending on your speed and your velocity, it might affect how safe you are in a car.
We found out that when you're wearing the safety constraints, the toys don't fly out of the car. An object in motion wants to stay in motion, so the seatbelts restrain it from keeping in motion and flying out of the car.
We started out as having cans for our insulator, but the heat was still getting out through the can. So we decided that it was best if we use foam to insulate the heat, and we put on foil just so that the foam won't catch on fire. And we left spaces between the corners just so that some oxygen can get in.
An architect came to our classroom and he showed us like many things, like what his occupation is, like how he uses math in his occupation.
It just makes you look like everything we surround ourselves in and live in and survive in is like through geometry.
I think the unit is a whole lot easier to understand than what she used to go over. And with the hands-on part of it, I think it's a whole lot easier for me to understand it.
I think it's good for us to be doing the hands-on because it'll be way easier for us to remember than actually just sitting there taking notes.